Hello, today's video is not going to be a demonstration video of how I actually do things, but what I want to show here is one of the tools I actually use in order to sometimes do my work. I made up a table here which I find to be useful. For example, if you've ever worked on an amplifier or a receiver, like recently I worked on a Marantz 2215B receiver. I know it puts out 15 watts per channel, continuous, but what I don't know is, say if I hooked up an AC meter and I wanted to measure the voltage, the AC voltage, how much should I expect at the output? And from here, for example, I can see that's 15 watts. And if we have an 8 ohm load, then I just go over here and it shows I should be measuring 11 volts AC, that's 11 volts RMS. And of course the same thing, say if we had a 4 ohm load, and we just go to the other side. And now the table I made up basically consists of 2 pages, and it goes all the way up to 250 watts. Also, this is actually a PDF file. In the description of this video, I'm going to include a link to my Dropbox account, and basically it can just be downloaded. You don't have to sign up for a Dropbox. You can just go ahead and skip that part and go directly to download, and if you're interested you can keep this for future reference. I'm also going to make one up for peak-to-peak voltages on the scope. Say, for example, if you had a 200 watt amplifier and then you'd go over here and then you could read the peak-to-peak voltages. That would be, so I'll go ahead and do that just in case somebody needs it. That'll probably be in the next video or the one thereafter. And basically this brings this video to an end. Thanks for watching.